Welcome to the new normal. We are in this together.
So if you ask me about how is the new normal life and if I am enjoying it,
So the new normal में
What I enjoy the most about the new normal.
Thanks for giving me the chance to wear some makeup after a really long time.
I have been asked what is it that I love about the new normal.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to another video on this channel, and today's video I want to talk about this new normal जो हम लोग सब फेस कर रहे हैं. To be very honest, जब नया कोरोना का न्यूज़ आया था इंडिया में एंड नया लॉकडाउन हुआ था, तब लोग न्यू नॉर्मल के बारे में बात कर रहे थे वेरी अर्ली ऑन इन मार्च. एंड तब मुझे लग रहा था कुछ न्यू नॉर्मल वगैरह नहीं है. It's going to be a matter of few weeks and we are going to get back to our old normal in a few weeks. So I was quite sure about it. You call it like overtly positive or delusional or I don't know what. But जैसे जैसे lockdown extend होता जा रहा है and जैसे जैसे the scenario is right now, somewhere I kind of thought कि yeah, maybe this is the new normal. Yeah, मतलब maybe it's high time that you don't wait कि चीज़ें जब back to normal आएगी तब I'll start living my life. Somewhere at the back of our heads we are all thinking okay maybe जब restaurants फिर से शुरू होंगे, maybe जब malls फिर से शुरू होंगे, but then I was like the way things are right now, things are going to take time to open up. And of course as much as ये खटकता है कि यार अभी ऐसे रहना पड़ेगा, मतलब जब देखो मास्क पहनकर बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा, लाइक हर आधे घंटे सैनिटाइज करना पड़ेगा, मतलब of course it's somewhere very bumming for all of us. I'm not going to deny that, but if this is our new reality and if we have to live it, the best way is to find positives in it and find little things maybe everyday life में जो तुम्हें लगे कि अरे यार ये अच्छी चीज़ हो रही है. So ये मुझे जानना था मेरे फ्रेंड्स से और मेरे जान पहचान वालों से कि what is their favorite part of this new normal that we are living in right now. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, maybe their perspective will help me live my life a little better. So it's always good to hear what different people have to say. So here is what everybody had to say about this.
तो अंदर का जो मास्टर शेफ है ना वो बाहर आ रहा है. Not that I'm a very good cook, but there is some or the other experiment always going on in the kitchen, no matter long working hours or whatever, but there is some experiment which is going on, then that becomes the highlight of our day.
like the work from home thing is something that I wanted for the longest time in my life and I finally got it. और फैमिली के साथ टाइम मैंने इतने सालों से मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है स्पेंड नहीं किया है कि वो प्रॉपर लंच टाइम पे लंच साथ में करना, डिनर साथ में करना. सो आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर द टाइम दैट आई एम गेटिंग विद माय फैमिली एंड आई हैव लर्नड टू बी ग्रेटफुल. यू वोंट बिलीव even a cup of Maggie that I'm having now these days, I'm grateful for having that.
I'm really liking the fact that we don't have to be on the clock. Like in Bombay, we are always in a hurry and we are always by the clock. So I like the fact that I don't have to put an alarm and I can wake up and do and maintain my own to-do list and get along with the day.
So the new normal में I'm glad that we are not shaking hands and we are not hugging because प्री कोरोना टाइम्स आई वॉज ए रियली ऑकवर्ड हगर. मतलब मैं दोस्तों के साथ भी या तेरे साथ भी मतलब ऐसे साइड हग वही मैक्सिमम हो पाता था. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, फिर भी आई कुडंट हग पीपल प्रॉपर्ली. आई एम ग्लैड दैट आफ्टर दिस कोरोना थिंग people are going to do away with hugging and shaking hands. I mean,
Hey there, Namaste, how are you? I must confess that my life was pretty much similar before the COVID outburst. Of course, it didn't have the fear of pandemic. I was enjoying my self-isolation. I had confined my life to that one beautiful room on the roof in the Himalayas, and I was in some sort of stillness to work on my novel. And little did I know that time spent in self-isolation will prepare me for the time in 2020 for this entire dramatic scenario that we are put together in. So what I enjoy the most about this new normal in a new setting is that I get to spend a lot of time with my parents. I get to be of service to them. I get to see them in a new light.
Well, every day I find something new to do. चाहे वो कुछ लिखना हो, पढ़ना हो, खाना बनाना, वर्कआउट ट्राई करना, या फिर ऐसे ही घर का साफ सफाई करना. कुछ ऐसे स्पॉट्स है जो घड़ी घड़ी आपके आंखों के सामने आएंगे. देन यू विल बी लाइक यार बहुत गंदा है यार, विल क्लीन इट. इट मेक्स योर लिविंग a little more peaceful.
Hi, if you studied engineering like I did, then you've probably heard of the second law of thermodynamics. The entropy of the universe is always increasing. What is entropy? Disorder. Entropy is a measure of the disorder of a system. Toothpaste inside a tube, order. But once you squeeze it out, it's very difficult to force it back in. Disorder. The entropy has increased. A full tomato, order. But once you chop it up into little pieces, you can't force them back to going into a full tomato. Entropy has increased. I've always connected with what us humans do on this planet with entropy. We go out, we work, we play, we produce, we consume, we travel, we fight wars, we find love. We are increasing disorder. We are constantly increasing the entropy of the system. But with the ongoing world situations, bam! Humans have retracted back. The toothpaste has gone back into the tube. Well, not in this case. But entropy has decreased. We, my friend, have just shown a giant middle finger to the second law of thermodynamics. Just goes to show that us humans can do anything we put our minds to, or are forced by our governments to do.
So there are two major things which I realized in the last 2 months. The first one is definitely that how important it is for all of us to stop for a while and take some time to breathe in life. हम सब अपनी ज़िंदगियों में भागदौड़ में लगे हुए हैं to achieve our dreams, to complete our work, chase love. So I think it's quite fair, it's completely okay and necessary to give some time to yourself as well.
So, frankly, firstly, it is called the new normal. That's a little difficult to digest. What I realized was that in this new normal phase, the number of people and the quality of conversations I have had with people has become much more sane. हम अब ट्रैफिक में नहीं फंसते हैं. ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा पॉजिटिव है ऑफ द न्यू नॉर्मल.
With my husband, I would say I have realized couple of things about him which otherwise I wouldn't have realized, because now that we are in the same house working together, he's sitting right in front of me and working. I think he's extremely patient. He can explain a certain Excel sheet to a certain person 10 times and he will still not lose it. These are little things which probably I wouldn't have realized on a day-to-day basis.
That's what is there on my whiteboard. So I finish that and I keep ticking, I did that. So that's what the new happy is according to me.
Now that I have some time, I can go back to my hobbies and actually do something about it.
Family से ज़्यादा तुम्हें कोई प्यार नहीं कर सकता. Respect and love your family as much as you can during this period.
And what I learned about them is our parents are like kids who have kids, and we have hit new level of friendship together, and I'm really, really thankful for this.
In this whole new normal world, people have learned to give you some space, physically in public and mentally and emotionally in personal life as well. So according to me, it will be a good change.
जो वो छोटे छोटे naps ले सकते हो ना पूरे दिन में when the work is going on, but you see the sofa which is calling you to sleep for 15 minutes, like a quick one. Office में तो of course no chance at all. So yeah, I think that's a little fun part.
The people who matter, I'm having conversations with them. काम की conversations चल रही हैं, work from home चल रहा है, पर वो to the point रहता है. There is very little scope of arguments and unnecessary strifes or politicizing, and there's a lot more scope for positivity. How much people can help each other. ये कितनी अच्छी बात निकल के आई है इस नए normal से.
This time is something which will never come back. Be grateful for this also and make the most out of it.
We are in this together and we are doing great so far.
वाकई we've gone back to humanity to actually help each other.
I like this new normal.
Please stay home, please wash your hands.
Stay safe, take care.
And I really hope that different perspectives put together can help a lot of people to see this entire situation in a light which is bearable. Yeah.
Before I go ahead and tell you what is my favorite part of this, I have to go back to what Kunal said. जब उसने कहा ना कि लोगों को एहसास हो गया कि एक दूसरे को physical और emotional space दी जाए, I could feel it in my heart. Everybody who stays in Mumbai will feel about this physical space. मतलब ऐसा होता ही नहीं मुंबई में कि तुम रोड पे चलो या मॉल में जाओ या किसी स्टेशन पे जाओ, तुम किसी से टकराए बिना चल ही नहीं सकते. There are always so many people around you. And we are living in a world right now where we don't have to do that. Definitely a positive according to me. एक और चीज़ जो मैंने कुछ दिन पहले नोटिस की विच काइंड ऑफ लाइक मेड मी स्माइल, आई हैड गॉन आउट ऑफ माई हाउस फॉर ग्रोसरीज, ठीक है, और मैं जब भी बाहर कोई भी चीज़ खरीदने के लिए निकलती हूँ ना, ट्रस्ट मी आई एम लुकिंग माई वर्स्ट नाउ डेज. आई डोंट केयर, मैं कोई भी ड्रेस पहन लेती हूँ, उसके नीचे स्लिपर पहन लेती हूँ, उसके ऊपर मास्क लगा लेती हूँ, माई हेयर इज अ मेस, लाइक आई जस्ट डोंट केयर. सो द अदर डे आई वेंट आउट लाइक दैट, एंड जब मैं बाहर गई और I was walking and I noticed there were a lot of other girls who were out in their pajamas, oiled hair tied on, on the head. And I just looked around and I was like, wow, I love how nobody is just like, checking out nobody and nobody's caring what anybody's worn. And I love that. I'm like, people are finally giving a damn about things that actually matter in life and not shit like who's wearing what and judging them for that. And that is definitely my favorite part of the new normal. तुम्हारा favorite part क्या है about the new normal? Let me know in comments below. I would love to read it. And if this video brought a smile to your face, share it with other people too. I hope this video helps them give a perspective and helps them lead this new normal a little more happily. That was the whole point of it. And yeah, on that note, I am going to go and see you guys real soon right here with something new. You take care. Bye bye.